just gonna show you my first Mega Royal Muli. And it's the Snow White. Snow White 400%. Actually, first 400% ko to sa series nito. Kasi hindi ko siya masyadong gusto yung something na may crown. Mas type ko yung helmet like. Yung ina-open siya na ganyan. Global release was just last July 4. So I got it July 5 actually. So it's here na. Kaya lang, super gusto ko si Snow White kasi parang ang cute niya. May something siya dito. Anyway, I'll show you when I unbox it. Kaya, binili ko na lang din siya since, yan nga, parang limited edition tapos Snow White pa siya. So, yan. Actually, I'm looking for the Squid Game dito sa series ng Mega Space Muli. Kaya lang, out of stock siya now eh. Tsaka hindi siya nagkaroon dito sa Philippines. Ayun, somehow, I lost chance kasi nga, hindi nga siya na-release dito sa Philippines and wala na siyang stock somehow sa ibang country ata. Parang, I was looking for Squid Game in Korea and in Japan, kaso wala na rin daw. So, I'm not sure. Meron ako nakita but it's too expensive. As in, almost triple the price. So, I think it's not worth it naman to get it at this time. So, I'm just gonna wait kung kailan magkakaroon ulit ng Squid Game na series ng Mega Space Muli. Actually, merong isa yun sa Transformers, si Optimus Prime. But then, I wanted this one, the Snow White. So, I got this one first. And I have to unbox this soon kasi hindi siya na-unbox or na-check dun sa store sa MOA kasi daw, okay lang naman daw siya na iuwi. Basta when you unbox this one, take a video so that if may problem, you can show it to them and they will replace it na lang together with your receipt. Kasi akala ko they have to check it first when you buy it. Kaya lang, sabi nga nila, it's okay naman daw.